In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create rules in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can turn routine project work into hands-off automations using clear, natural language. Start by heading to Asana in your browser or desktop app and signing into the workspace where you manage your tasks. Make sure you have permission to modify the project you're working in. If you can see the Customize panel in that project, you're good to go. It also helps to have a few sample tasks in place so you can visualize how your automation will behave. Open the project where you want the automation to live. Rules in Asana are scoped to a specific project, so choose the one that contains the tasks, sections, and custom fields you plan to use. If your project has consistent sections, assignees, or priority fields, AI will have clearer context to build a useful rule. Look toward the upper right of your project view and click Customize. This opens a side panel with options like Fields, Layout, and Rules. If your screen is narrow, the panel may appear as a drawer. Expanding your window can make everything easier to see. Remember, anything you set up here applies to this project only, which keeps your workflows tidy and predictable. In the Customize panel, select Rules. This is your automation hub. You'll see existing rules, templates, and the option to build with AI. Think of this area as the control center where triggers and actions come together to save you clicks and prevent manual errors. Click. Add to start a new rule. This brings up the rule builder and, importantly, the AI prompt field. Instead of chaining triggers and actions yourself, you'll describe what you want and let Asana draft the configuration for you. Type a clear, specific prompt describing your workflow. Good prompts include 3 parts: the trigger, any conditions, and the action. For example, you might say, when a task is moved to the done section, remove its due date and mark its priority as low. Or, if a task is created with the high priority custom field, set the due date to 3 business days from now and add a comment asking for a status update. Use the exact names of your sections and fields so AI maps them correctly. If your project uses custom fields, mention them by name. Keep each prompt focused on one outcome to avoid ambiguity. After AI generates the draft, check that the trigger, conditions, and actions reflect your intent. If something looks off, refine your wording and try again. Small tweaks like specifying sections, timeframes, or assignees by role often produce more accurate results. That's it. Asana, open your project, click Customize, go to Rules, hit Add, and describe the rule you want. With a clear prompt, AI does the heavy lifting.